Hey guys, Teacher Tommy here, and I wanted to do a quick video just to show you how simple it is to integrate the Vcam into Manycam and vice versa. Okay, so the first things first, right now I am in Manycam. As you can see, this is just my regular old plain old web around green screen backdrop thingy, and I'm going to show you how I integrate into XSplit Vcam and then change my background. So let's go. So we're in Manycam right now, and first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I select, as far as my camera, that I want it to be XSplit Vcam and not my webcam. Reason being is that I'm going to let Vcam have control of the webcam, and then Manycam have control of Vcam, okay? So remember that. Webcam goes to Vcam and Vcam goes to Many. Webcam goes to Vcam and Vcam goes to Many. All right, turn it into a song. So we're gonna click XSplit Vcam is what we're going to be casting from here. Now let's go over to Vcam. So now that we're in XSplit Vcam, if you look here, I have it selected to actually capture the webcam, because it's going to take my webcam and I can manipulate the lighting and everything over here, and then that is going to be projected into Manycam. Manycam is our last stop before we go into our ESL territory. So while I'm in here, I want to make sure that my webcam is selected. Ooh, did it do me like that? Okay, so now we've done that. So the next step is simply to decide what background do we want. So with Vcam, the cool thing is you can either add your custom backgrounds or you can pull from some of their stock backgrounds. So let's see. If I click Unsplash Photo, I can type in some topics, keywords, or whatever and see what they have in terms of things that bid that. So I have on black and gold. So let me see if I can type black and gold and what will come up. See, so here are some different images that have black and gold. Let's see, this gate, I click it, it's downloading stock image, and now I'm at the gate. You see that? I didn't have to do anything special. Right now I have my ring light directly positioned behind my desktop and my webcam. I'm in my living room. It is 6:34. Sun's going down outside, so I'm not even getting no extra lighting from outside. And then I have my ceiling fan light right above my head. That's the only lighting setup that I have. I don't have anything extra. Let's see this black and gold right here. Okay, so that's just a little drizzle of something right there. All right, let's see, what are these? Are these Ferrero Rocher? Oh, some Ferrero Rocher X. Hey, okay, so that's that. If I want to type the word glitter, then glitter comes up, and I have glitter like this yellow glitter, some black glitter, you know, so you can change it out. But if I want to pick something that I've saved, maybe a Google image that I wish to use, then first I would go to Google, find the image, right click on it and save it to my computer. And then when I'm ready to pull it in here, I'll go to Add Background, Media File, and I will find whatever image I want. So let's say I want Elsa's castle. Boom. Click it, open it, and now I'm in Elsa's castle. And that's it. And only so many of the things you click on are going to stay over here to this easy access panel. So if you have something you know you have no intention of using, go ahead and just click on it and delete it. So that frees up more space. So if you want to go ahead and pick your backgrounds for your upcoming classes in advance so that you can just quick click between them, then you have more than enough space. If you're like, Tommy, what do you mean by that? Let me show you. Let me just get rid of some of, oh, I didn't mean to get rid of you. I like you. Some of this stuff. Let's see. I'm not going to use no gold glitter. I'm not going to use black glitter. I'm not going to use the galaxy. I'm not going to use the beach. Flower, sorry. And not going to use this. Okay, so right now all I have is Elsa's Castle, a town, and this neutral background that I like to record on my other channel, which is a digital ministry called May I Live Faithfully, aka MILF, talking about being a faithful and grounded woman of faith in this ever-changing culture of looseness and anything goes. But that's another day. But so I have that. I have Elsa's Castle right now. And then I have like this little city. Hey. And so if I want to go ahead and prepare for some classes, I can look at my classes and say, okay, I have a class coming up and we're going to be talking about food. So any of the stuff that's in Unsplash is not going to be like a clip art or a cartoon. So if you want more cartoony backgrounds like this, you'll want to go find images on Google or different places and then pull those in. And so I have media file, and I'm going to type in kitchen because I've already saved some kitchen files to my computer. I have one that's a semi kind of digital, but then I have these that are colorful. So I'm going to use this orange one right now. And now I have a digital kitchen. Okay, so I know when we talk about food in this class, me and the kid are going to use this one. And then I try to match my stuff at least for the most part centered around the theme of what we're learning. So if I have one and we're going to be talking about the farm, let me go ahead and get my farm ready for that, kid. Hey Goofy, how are you? And I'm going to, I don't want to do that farm today. Let's do this one. I'm going to do this farm today so I can put my animals on my farm. Got the American flag in the background over there. And then let's say I have a smaller kid. They really don't understand themes or anything anyway, so I just want to do Legos for them. So I'm going to do Lego, but I have a million Lego things. So let me do Lego background. Lego back. And now I have my 4 Lego squares that I can put Lego toys all over it. So now I'm ready for when my classes get ready to change. I literally have to click one button. Okay, we're done with Lego class. Next kid, I'm giving her Elsa rewards. Neutral for older kid. May give them like play money or something. Gonna talk about neighborhoods. Gonna talk about kitchens. Gonna be on the farm. And I can just quick change like that very instantly. So now that we have that set up, let's go back over into Manycam. So this is what it looks like in Manycam. And when I'm ready for that next class, I have a very wide monitor. I'm working on one monitor, but my monitor is extremely wide. I got it. It's a Samsung S27 E310. I'm looking at the model number. Somebody on Craigslist was selling it because they thought it was a 4K monitor. It wasn't, but it was a 1080p or something like that LED monitor. It works for me. The color clarity is amazing. And it was like a I know it was over $100 monitor, and they sold it to me like 50 or 60 bucks. So score. And so I have enough real estate to where I can put Manycam and, you know, my ESL classes on the same screen, have it separate and manage it how I want to, and not have everything all smushed up, and have space at the bottom for sticky notes where I can be typing or doing whatever I need to do in between classes. So here we are back in Manycam. And so now I don't like to leave it's just plain and it's just, you know, nothingness. So I like to put like a little gold border or something around it, you know, just to add a little extra zhuzh to it. So let's see. Why does it, is it freezing me? Oh. I can't believe it did me like that. It's a conspiracy today. It's a conspiracy. But I do have it set on 4K though, and this camera is not optimized for 4K. The camera is optimized for 1080p, but I'm pushing it right now, making it do 4K. So that's probably why it froze. And I have it at 60 frames per second. So that's pushing it as well. 4K at 60 frames per second? Yeah. Anyway, so let's go back to the farm. Okay, so on the farm, I don't like to leave it just blank. So I'll just add just a little dib or something like that, just to kind of round off the corners, you know. Sometimes I may add Legos around it or whatever, and that's just me selecting a border to the side. But that's it. So when my students come in and we're learning and we're talking about animals, if I want to give them animal rewards, your first animal, you get a chicken. Woo! You get a cow. Got milk? You get sheep on your farm. And I can reduce the size of the sheep, or I can already have the sheep ready, and then just, where is it? Just down here in the effects section, if I have a sheep, I can just mute the sheep out, and when I'm ready to use it, pop it up, and it'll already be sized and formatted. But let's go back. So, and I can do that. Let's remove all of these creatures and show you if I'm at Elsa's house and I want to do a princess party. P-A-R-T-Y. Yeah. I can have my party hat on, or I can, where's Elsa and her crew? I could have Elsa come on out. Boom, there she is. Hey, Elsa. Sing it, girl. Let it go, Elsa. Let it go. Come through. Come through, Elsa. Yes. So there's Elsa, or I can have her come in like that. She's the queen of the party. And then I can just start adding other Disney princesses that I've made files for. There's Cinderella. Belle came to the party. Jasmine decided she could make it. Jasmine, get from in front of Cinderella. I know y'all are beefing and you think that you're cuter than her and all of that stuff. But let's go over here and stop being small. You acting real petty right now, Jasmine. Jasmine. Okay. Bye. You're uninvited. I have Fa Mulan. Fa Mulan, are you going to move? Thank you. Rapunzel. She came through to Elsa's party. Rapunzel, get over there, girlfriend. And then it's not a party if we don't have Princess Tiana come through that thing. So Tiana, get on over here, girl. And Pocahontas, you know you have to come and represent. And then you too. Moana, you a youngin', but you can come. And so I have all the princesses, and they get all these cool Disney princesses. And then at the end of Elsa's party, I make everybody disappear, and they come back to sing happy birthday to Elsa. You know, so you can do a million things with this. It's not that complicated. So I'm just going to do a quick recap. I'm going to get rid of everything. Boom, boom. Back to the green screen. Back to the green screen. So step one. Bum, bum, bum. Why is this sheep? Sheep, get off the screen. Okay, so step one is to come down here to one of your presets. Right click. Select your camera as the XSplit Vcam, because that's where you're going to pull your background from. Boom. After that, go to Vcam. Within Vcam, make sure you have whatever your webcam is selected. Mine is the C922, so that's my webcam. Then select your background of choice and take your butt back on over to Manycam. And that's it. And then when you get ready to get in your ESL classroom, when you're choosing your camera, choose Manycam as your camera. Choose Manycam, not the Vcam, Manycam, because that's where you're going to load all your objects and all your fun stuff and all of that kind of jazz, okay? And make sure that you have your microphone and everything set. Let's go back again. Over here on the side, make sure that your mic, right now mine is set to my webcam because I'm recording this video, but make sure you have your mic set to your headphones. So if you have an issue and you're like, well, I can't hear my student, or they can't hear me, it may be that you have your microphone set wrong. So just make sure you select your headset. And when I replay this, I don't want to replay it through my headset. So I'm going to need to change that and change that to my desktop as far as my playback, but that doesn't matter right now. Only thing I care about is the microphone so you all can hear me. But that's how you do it. You go to the speaker, You're going to do add microphone, and then you're going to select your headphones as your mic. All right, so let's get out of here. Look at that, 13 minutes already. Okay, let's go. All right, so hopefully that answered some questions and showed the simplicity of how easy it can be to use these softwares together. So remember, webcam to Vcam and Vcam to Many. Then Many goes to Classroom and you're having tons of fun. That didn't rhyme. That sounded better in my head. Yeah, anyway, hope that helps you guys. All right, well, again, stay blessed, not stressed, and I will see you next time.